Okay, we're looking at question 8 on the blue graphs and statistics test review. And we are comparing a dot plot to a box plot. We have to remember that the big thing about box plots is that there's no mean or mode. Okay, you cannot figure out the mean or the mode. So if you look at the first one, a school counselor asked a random sample of 6th and 7th graders how long it takes them to get ready for school each morning. The graph below summarizes the results of the two samples. So 7th grade is our dot plot, 8th grade is our box plot. This is based on the median amount of time it takes. So we're looking at the median. Each group to get ready, the counselor should conclude that. So I want to know which one of these inferences is true. 8th graders spend more time than necessary. Okay, this is what we call an opinion, an opinion. No one can say how much time is necessary. So a lot of times they'll try to trick you, but if it's an opinion, don't even look at the numbers because you can't pull an opinion out of a graph. Okay, part B says 8th grade students spend less time getting ready for school than a 7th grader. So if I look, most of my people in 7th grade spend 10, 20 minutes. This is where a big bulk of my time is. So 7th grade is about 10 to 20. Okay? If I look over here, 8th grade, a big bulk of my time. Remember, each part is 25%, but only 25% of all 8th grade spends less than 20 minutes. So this cannot be true because 7th grade is not less. Most people in 7th grade spend at least 20 minutes. 75%, remember 25, 50, 75, 100, 75% spend more than 20 minutes. Whereas over here, most people settle in 10 to 20 minutes. Letter C, 8th grade students spend twice the amount of time getting ready as 7th grade. Okay, so twice the amount of time. So most people spend about 10 to 15. If I twice or double 10, it's 20. If I double 15, it's 30. So between 20 and 30 is most people. Well, it doesn't really look true. So I'm going to skip because I'm not sure. D says the 8th grade students spend 10 more minutes getting ready for school than 7th grade students. Well, again, majority, 50% of my kids fall between 20 and 35. Most of my 6th, 7th grade students spend between 10 and 20. So that actually is a difference of about 10 minutes. Okay, so the answer choice is D.